The Janitorial Employee Safety Program provides comprehensive training for cleaning technicians. The training is OSHA compliant and meets SIM certification requirements. Workplace safety. Your safety is a priority for our company. As a cleaning business, we're legally bound by standards issued by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, to provide a safe working environment for employees. However, safety in the workplace is everyone's business. Every employee is responsible for performing their work in a safe manner. This safety program identifies guidelines for preventing the most common accidents associated with cleaning. When used consistently and properly, these safety guidelines will help reduce accidents, but use of these guidelines alone is not the total answer to accident prevention. Safety in the workplace requires good judgment. You must identify and report unsafe situations immediately to your supervisor and help them correct them before an accident occurs. As part of your job, you're expected to follow the safety guidelines outlined in this program. Remember, no job is so important and no service is so urgent that you cannot take the time to perform the work safely. Employees should remove trash carefully. Trash containers may contain sharp glass and metal objects. Avoid cuts and punctures to your skin by handling trash in a safe manner. Never press down on trash with your hands or feet. Use the trash can itself after the trash is dumped into Brute. Get a good grip and make sure your hands are dry before lifting a filled plastic trash bag from its container. If the bag is heavy, you may want to separate the trash into 2 bags. After removing a bag from the container, inspect it for protrusions and holes. Avoid bumping your body against a filled trash bag during removal and disposal. Don't swing filled trash bags onto your back and do not throw the bag from any distance. Place the bag in the dumpster. Avoid twisting and putting the trash bag in the dumpster in one motion. Do not block doorways, elevators, stairwells, or access to safety and emergency equipment such as fire extinguishers or fire alarms. Drive safely. Drive defensively and wear your seatbelt. Drive with constant alertness and care. Obey traffic laws and signals at all times. Maintain a 3-point contact using both hands and 1 foot or both feet and 1 hand when climbing into and out of vehicles. Turn the vehicle off before filling with fuel. Do not smoke while fueling a car. Wash your hands with soap and water if you spill gasoline on your hands. Secure exterior and interior supplies and equipment before driving. Cleaning equipment falling from or flying around in your vehicle not only damages the equipment, but they can injure or even kill pedestrians, occupants, and other motorists. Make sure all doors are closed and locked. Distractions are the leading cause of motor vehicle crashes, and cell phones are the top distraction. For this reason, cell phones are not to be used while driving. Slips, trips, and falls. Always wear rubber-soled shoes. Never wear sandals or open-toe shoes. Be aware of cords, mats, and other objects on the floor that obstruct your movement through hallways, doorways, aisles, and around desks. Do not leave cleaning tools, equipment, or trash bags in walkways. The outer edges of the floor mats should lie flat on the floor. Always clean up spills immediately. Place hazard signs at all entrances to areas where floors or stairs are being cleaned with damp or wet mops. Avoid carrying trash, equipment, or heavy objects across wet floors. Safety on staircases. Always use handrails when walking down the stairs. Never run down stairs. If carrying something while walking downstairs, make sure you can see over it. Report broken handrails to your supervisor. Ladder and footstool safety. Never stand on chairs, desks, books, or other objects to reach up high. Always use a ladder or footstool on a flat, stable floor. Use caution cones when using ladders in areas where there are a lot of people. Use ladders that are in good condition. Check the rungs and your shoes for grease and grime, and then clean if necessary. Never use a metal ladder when working with electrical fixtures. Step ladders should be opened fully with spreaders locked in place. Never use a step ladder as a straight ladder. Use both hands when climbing a ladder. Keep your weight centered between the rails and do not overreach on each side. Carry tools and window washing equipment on a tool belt. When working at heights exceeding 6 feet, have a second person hold and steady the ladder. Ladders should not be stored where they present a tripping hazard or where they can fall on people. The ladder angle should be 1 foot out for each 4 feet of ladder working length.
Looks and sounds simple enough, and it is once you've got used to it. Let's run through it one more time to make sure. Test the weight. Stand facing the object with your feet shoulder width apart in a 10-to-2 position, 1 foot slightly in front of the other. Keep the object squarely in front of you, no twisting. Lower yourself by bending at the knees. Remember, don't stoop, don't bend at the waist. Keep a naturally straight back. Grip the object in opposite corners with the palms of your hands. Keep the object as close to your body as possible, straighten knees and lift smoothly. Move slowly and steadily, keep looking ahead. With your feet in the 10-to-2 position, bend at the knees to lower the object. Finally, adjust the load later.
Welcome to our team of janitorial professionals. We're glad you decided to join us. Our success depends on our employees, and in order for us to continue to service our customers, it's important that we're all working on the same page, and that takes training and teamwork. Our janitorial program is broken down into sections, so watch the video and review each section as often as needed. So let's go ahead and get started. When cleaning toilets, wipe the top of the seat, the back side around the connections, the underside of the seat, and all around the bowl. Leave the seats up on the toilets when finished cleaning. Clean all mirrors and polish stainless steel surfaces using glass cleaner and your blue microfiber cloth. Pay special attention to the lower portion of the mirror, as this is the area that is often splashed with water spots. Be sure to look closely, double checking for spots and streaks. Now polish the faucets and any polished stainless steel dispensers, making sure there are no streaks or spots. As you approach a trash can, look around the area for obvious trash on the floor or underneath the desk. Be sure to pick up any big pieces on the floor and throw them away. When you're done with an area, replace the trash can in the proper place and push the chair up to the desk. If you know you'll be vacuuming under desk areas later, you may want to pull the chair and trash can out from underneath the desk for now, and then put the trash can back and push the chair up to the desk when you finish vacuuming. When trashing in an office, you may come across boxes or items that look like trash but haven't been marked as trash. Be sure your customer knows that unless they mark these items as trash, you won't be throwing them away. Begin by mopping the corners and edges first, and then filling in the open areas by using a figure-8 pattern, turning the mop over as one side gets soiled, and re-rinsing the mop head as needed. Now move to the next area and follow the same procedure, mopping the edges first and then filling in the open areas.